Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Zelle customer support. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zelle account, which of course I have done right here. Now, what is Zelle? Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family, even if the bank's somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back as per the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account. And when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. Now that I know a bit of what Zelle is about, let's quickly hop into today's step with how to contact Zelle customer support. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type zellepay.com, and that's going to take you to this official website. So this is how you can contact customer support. You're going to have to scroll down from this homepage. Okay. And this is the boilerplate. So over here you have these tabs, which include contact us, partners, press, legal, your privacy, right, and security. Go ahead and click on the contact us tab, and it's going to take you here. How can we help? Select from the options below. I will point into the right direction. So you can select any of this. Need help with the Zelle app, need help with Zelle through your bank or partner. But go ahead and click on this contact support button because we want to contact them directly. So over here, by selecting submit, you agree to the information you've provided is subject to a privacy notice, and you also agree to receive communications you have requested, including marketing communications. So first, add your name and add your last name, add your email address, ensure it's correct. Add your mobile telephone number and add the description. So in this description box, content limited to 1,000 characters. So it is in this description box. Go ahead and express yourself. Let them know what exactly you want them to help you with. Be very expressive, but ensure that your expressiveness is within 50 to 1,000 words. So once you're done, go ahead and punch the send message button, and after that, they are going to contact you using email or using any of the options. So that's pretty much how you can contact the customer support. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.